that? Unboxing time. Unboxing time. Oh my life! My new Rubik's Cube. Whoa! Wow, good. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh shoot. Cool, cool, I'm so good. Wow. Yes. Wow. Yuxin Treasure Box. Whoa, that's cool. Wow. Cool. Thank you for giving this. Wow, I love it. Oh, yeah, forgot that. Unbox this first. There we go. There we go. 1 by 2 by 2. Cool, huh? Whoa, cool. 1 by 3 by 3. Wow, cool. Is it? It can shape shift. Wow, cool. Yuxin Treasure Box. Wow. It's metal. It's 33 millimeters or centimeters. Let's unbox this. Oh, finally, yes, my Rubik's Cube. Wow. Okay, there it is.
Kan ada toplesnya.
You can keep it to one side. Wow, that's cool. Cool, Yuxin Treasure Box. Yes, it's cool, so cool. You can open it up. Wow. Nice. Wow, that's cool. That's my birthday, if 11 January. I give it this Rubik's Cube by 3 Rubik's Cube. Thanks for watching, guys.